Last 2-minute conviction for 2023 is that time rarely heals, it seals. In leadership, we have so much opportunity, like a playing field of mixed emotions that cause us to be hurt, to feel betrayed, to feel neglected, not acknowledged, to feel disappointed, to get fatigued. And we get to the end of a busy year like this, and it's been a whirlpool of frenetic activity. And we hope the passage of time just heals all the wounds we have sustained. But time rarely heals, it seals. Just like a wound of the flesh, if you get debris, dirt, sand caught underneath a healing scar, then it can create infection and dysfunction. And we don't want to go into the new year with unresolved conflict or issues over which time is cementing their position. So here's 4 things I'm thinking about I should try and do as this year closes. Number 1, name all the negative feelings. Anxiety, frustration, disappointment, annoyance, whatever I'm feeling from matters that are unresolved this year, name the feeling. Number 2, own my responsibility in it. I don't care how much injustice I've suffered. I have always found at least a misstep on my part, if not something much worse, a much greater grievance. And so own your responsibility in whatever's brought about the wound. Number 3, if you're brave, if you're courageous, go ask for forgiveness. Seek the people out with whom you can attempt that reconciliation. They might not be ready to confront their responsibilities in it all, but you will unburden yourself from a heavy weight when you can seek their forgiveness. And number 4, decide what you're going to do differently in that relationship for the new year. So they're my 4 things I'm going to practice as I close out 23. I hope you have a beautiful Christmas as we celebrate the birth of Jesus. A wonderful, refreshing new year. May God bless you all richly, and I'll see you in 2024.